In his first set of vetoes, the governor doled out what some see as maybe punishment by striking out local projects from the budget. Now, those projects were mainly focused in the districts of some members who voted against the budget in the last moments of the session. There were 9 in total. Some of the projects taken out include money for sidewalks, new pavilions, and other infrastructure improvements. They spanned from Houghton to Oil City to Abbeville. Also impacted by these budget talks, early childhood education advocates are looking to the future needs their programs will have. In the end, $44 million was put towards replacing lost federal funds. The governor originally asked for about $60 million to help 16,000 children keep their seats in these programs, which he says is a top priority for the state.
So these early years are so critical. When we were younger, we didn't know all the stuff that we now know in the brain and how it is a sponge. We knew it was important, but not to the extent that we understand it now. And we have a problem in Louisiana. We have 60% of our kindergartners that enter into kindergarten not ready to interact with the kindergarten material.
The projected need annually to cover access to early childhood education would be $115 million for at least 10 years. Child advocacy groups are hopeful future governors will help push for more funding. After a big push from educators and advocates, early childhood education was given millions of dollars, but they say it is not enough to meet the need. Capitol reporter Shannon Hecht brings us the details of what comes next.
Before this legislative session, insurance looked to be a major topic this year, and a number of reforms did pass with a lot of focus on fortifying Louisiana homes. A priority not only for the insurance department, but advocacy groups as well, was getting the Fortify Roofs program up and running. The legislature has put $30 million into the fund for homeowners to apply for. And a bill was also passed to ensure that a policyholder will get a premium discount if they build the stronger roof.
But it's also going to ensure that taxpayer dollars are well spent. If we're going to use money to incentivize the fortified roof program, we need to guarantee policyholders that their insurance company is going to give them this discount.
There was no major tort reform passed this year around homeowners insurance, but some protections were put in place, such as protecting the right to hire a public adjuster. And so far, 8 companies have signed up for the incentive fund to draw companies to the state.
Somewhere around 50 to 55,000 policies will be written out of Citizens by those companies over the next several months.
And a report of how many policies they have started to write will be released later this week. That Fortify Roof program is expected to open up for applications on October 1st. For your local election headquarters, I'm Shannon Hecht.
Well, several marijuana-related bills were introduced in